How to draw the Lewis structure of CO3 carbonate ion. At first we have to find out the valency electron for carbonate ion. Carbon has 4 valency electron because it is the element of group 4a. Oxygen has 6 valency electron because it is the element of group 6a. But here we have to multiply by 3 because we have 3 atoms of oxygen. And then for 2 charge we have to add 2. So basically we are getting here 24 valency electron totally. If you add 4 plus 18 plus 2 equal to 24. This 24 valency electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 4 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for all the atoms. So here carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bonds, or it is the least electronegative. So let us connect. So to connect we need 2 dots or 1 single bond. For after connecting we have 18 valence electron left. Look, this oxygen, to satisfy the octet of outer atom first, this oxygen needs has 2, so it needs 6. This oxygen also needs 6, right? 6 6 6. So this, so 6 6 6 18. So we have used all the valence electron, right? 18. Now look for the octet. This carbon has only 6 valence electron, but this oxygen has 8, this oxygen has 8, and this oxygen also has 8. Now we need to satisfy the octet of central atom. So to do so, we'll move lone pair as bond pair, right? Lone pair as bond pair. Now look, this carbon has 8, this oxygen has 8, this oxygen has 8. So at last you have to place the charge. Look, here you have charge 2 minus 2 minus. You can express this bond pair as dash. 2 bond pair 2 dash, single bond pair single dash, right? This or this is the Lewis structure of CO3.